Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Sachin Shinde. I am from Vidya Vikas Vidyalaya Prashala. My team name is Technotitans. Our project name is Electricity Generation from Raindrops using Piezoelectric Effect. Let me introduce my idea. In today's world, the demand for clean and renewable energy is increasing rapidly. Rain is a natural and easily available source of mechanical energy. This project shows how raindrops can be used to generate small amount of electricity. The project is based on piezoelectric effect, which converts mechanical pressure into electrical energy. When a raindrop hits the piezoelectric plate, it produces a tiny electric pulse. These pulses are collected, rectified, and stored to light up an LED or a power small device. This experiment helps us understand how energy can be harvested from natural phenomena. Though small in output, this concept can be expanded to generate larger energy in the future. Following is the aim or objective of my project: to generate electricity from the mechanical energy of raindrops, to study the piezoelectric effect and its applications in renewable energy, to design a model that demonstrates energy conversion using piezoelectric sensors, to promote the idea of eco-friendly and sustainable energy sources. Are some advantages of my project. It is an eco-friendly and renewable source of energy. The system works during rainfall, that is, no sunlight needed. Can be used on rooftops in rainy regions of microgeneration. Helps in understanding energy conversion and sustainable technology. Easy to demonstrate and useful for educational purpose as well. Let us come to the conclusion of the idea. The project successfully demonstrates the conversion of rainy energy into electricity. It is based on a simple scientific principle, the piezoelectric effect. Although the output is small, the concept shows great potential for future energy innovations. This model encourages the use of natural, clean and renewable sources for power generation. It spreads awareness about sustainable technology and energy conversion.